Hi, everybody, and welcome. So, after taking a little bit of a break for the last couple of months, I am back with creating and crafting. So, I wanted to share a few things with you guys today because today's a big day in Stampin' Up. Today is, for those of us who are demonstrators, um, today is pre-ordering day, and you get to pre-order your products that you want to purchase in the upcoming occasions catalog. I actually just did mine. I have a lot of stuff that I wanted, and I can't wait. Those should arrive here tomorrow. Um, but I wanted to talk about a few things that you guys can get your hands on today as customers. So today is the day where you can get the Stamparatus bag. I actually did not order mine. I'm waiting until my next paycheck um, to get mine. But it's a cute and adorable bag that holds your Stamparatus. It also holds any accessories that you have, such as the grid paper and the extra magnets and the extra I'm looking right at mine and I can't think of the name of these things, the extra plates. And but also I just want to let you know what's on low inventory is, so you have the option of just getting the bag is $29, but for I think it's $55, or no, I'm sorry, it's about 70 something dollars. I have to check it. But you can get the Stamparatus and the Stamparatus bag if you don't already have one. Um, that bundle is on low inventory. So if you want a Stamparatus and the bag, I would highly advise you to act fast before those ones go in back order. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about is is also the start of our year end closeout. So these are products that you can get that is going to retire with the holiday catalog. There's a couple of items that you will find on here that is in the annual catalog, which is down here at the bottom. These items are not going to retire, but through January 2nd, you will no longer be able to get them at a discounted price. So this is something that you want to act on now. So if, like, for example, if you wanted to get the Big Shot embossing mat, that's on 30% sale. If you're a demonstrator, add another 25%. So that's basically 55% off that you're getting it for. And um, you can get the embossing mats. But as of January 3rd, you will not be able to get it at 30% off. So this is something else I wanted to make sure that you were aware of, that you want to go ahead and act fast on. Because these are while supplies last. Once they go, they're gone. We did get our carryover list of what's going to carry over from the holiday catalog. Um, so these are the stamp sets. Of course, the bundles never carry over. The bundle price will end as of January 2nd. Um, so if there's still items on your list that you want to get and there's a bundle, you want to get it before January 3rd. Um, so you have Merry Christmas to All, Making Christmas Bright, The Dashing Deer, Winter Woods, Wishing You Well, First Frost, and the Buffalo Check and Country Home. Those are the stamp sets. So there's about 8 stamp sets that are going to carry over into the annual catalog. Okay, we did the closeout sale. We did this. So this is the next thing. So this is the Stampin' Up! Tote. Many of you have probably seen demonstrators with this already who went to on stage and ordered it. I have not ordered this bag yet. If they are still available as of the 14th when I get paid, I'm going to pick one up. If not, it wasn't for me, it wasn't that important for me to get because I don't need any more things in this house. But but this is a really cool tool bag that you can store your supplies for when you're going to do a party, or even if you're just going to a crafting event. It holds your punches. It will hold your paper trimmer, paper packs if you're making kits, catalogs. Um, this is only available to demonstrators until January 2nd, or until, so they set aside a certain amount for demonstrators. Once that amount has been depleted, that is it. The next time somebody can get this tote is when they join my team during celebration. And so celebration is our big sale event where for every $50 you spend, you get a free item. And then as of last year, they introduced a new tier level. For every $100 you spend, there are exclusive products at the $100 level. So during celebration, new demonstrators will be able to get this tool bag um, with the upgraded kit. So we have a $99 starter kit, but for $149, you get your free $125 in free product. No, I'm sorry, it's $175 in free product, plus your business supplies, plus this tote. So that's a very good deal. But if you want this tote now, I will strongly advise you before they sell out, because they already sold out in Australia. So anybody who's in Australia cannot, any demonstrator in Australia cannot get this tote. I advise you to sign up now in December and just order the tote for yourself. The tote costs about $50, and then I think it's about $60 when you add in shipping and taxes. But if you want to know you're going to get your hands on it, you want to do it now and not wait like I'm waiting and praying that it won't sell out. But like I said, for me, it wasn't one that was a necessity in my life. So I can wait, and if it sells out, I just lost out on that opportunity. But I won't go crying about it. Um, but if this is something you really want to get, I would strongly suggest that you sign up, become a demonstrator, and order the tote immediately. Um, so the last thing I want to talk to you about today is the introduction of cling stamps. So I did not go to on stage, so I don't have a physical set to show you. Like I mentioned, I did my pre-order this morning. I did next day delivery, so my stuff will be here tomorrow. I'm trying to decide if I want to dive into doing a Facebook Live, or just do a video, but most likely I won't be able to get to that haul video until Saturday, just because I'm working tomorrow and I'm going to be busy and tired, and Friday is pretty much the same thing. So I am going to show you how the new cling stamps work. I probably would have already played with them, just to be honest. But this is going to replace our clear mount stamps and wood mount. Stampin' Up! Will not have wood mount stamps anymore, starting with the occasion catalog. The only thing that will be available in wood would be background stamps. But other than that, everything is going to cling. They've heard our complaints about the fact that Claremont wasn't sticking to the acrylic block, so they worked on the formula and they came out with cling. And from what I've heard, they really, really, really stick. And I actually, looking at a couple of people's videos, I learned a little tips and tricks on how to store them, because they do cling. These are not ones you want to keep on your acrylic stamps, from what I've heard, because they will get stuck. Um, so I'm going to show you those little tips and tricks that I've learned. But they gave us a little flyer. Um, when I send out my catalogs, uh, I'm gonna have this flyer in there because anybody who has ordered from me in the last 6 months will automatically get a catalog. So you have a couple of more weeks, and I'll send you out a catalog for free um, when I get mine. So and they also tell you with the clay mound stamps that you want to pick it up from the block from the end. Is the way you have to peel it up because you can tear your rubber if you just try to rip it off. From what I heard, so you want to make sure you have a good grip on it at the bottom of your stamp and pull up. So I'm interested to see how that's going to work out. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm excited to be back. Like I said, I took a little bit of a break. I was just stressed out with other things going on in my life that I just needed to take a breather. But I'm back. I've even joined Scentsy. If you know what Scentsy is, that's a company that does the wax melts. So it replaces using regular candles. So it just you warm up your fragrance and it flows into your room. My mom actually told me that I took my warmer with me to her house for Thanksgiving, and I she said the scent just left out of the bedroom that I was in, and that was like what 2 weeks ago. And so their fragrance smells so good. And so if you want to know more about Scentsy, just message me and I will get you more information about Scentsy also. So so yeah. So look out for my unboxing video with the new Stampin' Up products. Most likely that's what I'm going to be working on during the month of December because I am so over the holidays already. So yeah, I'm really excited to get to work on new stuff. So I look forward to seeing you again soon. Alrighty, bye bye.